Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling documents and positioning yourself now. Put on plain clothes and remove jewelry. It reduces retakes. Once done, face a neutral background and set the phone at eye level. Make sure the camera is the rear lens for higher resolution. Adjust lighting so there are no harsh shadows, soft daylight, or a 5000K lamp works. Finally, set image quality to high or 300 dpi equivalent and turn off beauty filters so the photo matches ID standards. You now compose the shot carefully. Position your head centered with eyes roughly 1/3 from the top. Include shoulders so proportions match the form. Once aligned, keep a neutral expression and look straight at the lens. Make sure hair or glasses do not obscure facial features. Use burst or live mode to capture slight motion and take 3 to 5 variant frames. After each series, review the images for blur, exposure, and correct framing so you don't need another session. You finish by selecting the best frame and cropping to the required size and aspect. Save as a high-quality JPEG and make sure resolution and file size meet the SSC form limits. Once done, name the file clearly using your name so uploads are traceable. Then upload and verify the preview on the portal. If the upload fails or the image is rejected, make sure to compress slightly, rename the file, or retake the photo with stronger, even lighting to remove shadow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.